Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'd like to share with you this texture doily I made a while ago. Let me show you a close-up of the center, the edging. I made it with thread 10 aqua color. It measures approximately 12.5 inch. The reverse, there's not much to see. And this is a free pattern by the designer Zoya Matyushenko. The name of the pattern is Greta. It is a free pattern by the designer Zoya Matyushenko. And here it is, in case I don't pronounce it right. I believe I downloaded it on Ravelry. You can go and look it up. She does have a lot of free patterns. It is very well written. I am grateful to Zoya for allowing me to download this pattern for free. I love it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.